So this is the new GoPro Fusion 360. We're going to see how it performs in an open top car, not just for doing a 360 video, but for doing what they call over capture, where you can make a flat file from that 360 footage. So we're just going to attach this to the windscreen just with a sticky suction cap like that. While driving without actually having to touch the camera itself and get every conceivable shot that you could possibly want. But what's the quality like? We'll soon see. But I know that while I'm driving now I can get my piece to camera face, I can get my view out of the window, I can get my hand on my gear stick, I can get views out the side windows, everything I can get, all cutaways without having to take my hands off the wheel and without having to shoot things several times. So this could be a real boon for reporters trying to self-shoot a piece to camera while driving. Bit of an emergency there. On this beautiful day I was heading for Cardiff Bay, but first a walk in the park and testing out the tiny planet effect on the GoPro Fusion 360. Stroll over and I walk back to the car very slowly indeed. So the camera's first stuck to the inside of the windscreen and then to the outside of the windscreen, and it copes very well with the changing lighting conditions, and the sound's not bad either. Finally I get to my destination. So out of the car and a stroll along the boardwalk, holding the camera on the selfie stick cum tripod that comes with it. These movements edited in on the iPhone afterwards to give that 360 view of the beautiful Cardiff Bay. This editing of 360 files to turn it into flat files with movement is called over capture by GoPro, and it's all achieved in the iPhone. Just by moving your finger on the iPhone screen you can produce some funky effects, and you can do it over and over again because it's non-destructive editing. So here we are in Cardiff Bay on this wonderful sunny afternoon, very unusual for the first week of October. The sun's shining, the sky is blue and the bay looks resplendent, all captured on this 360 camera. So here we are in Cardiff Bay on this wonderful sunny afternoon, very unusual for the first week of October. Obviously all of the content captured on this remarkable little camera can be shared instantly as a 360 file on social media. But it's the over capture function, making flat HD files with fluid movements, that will be of greatest use for most productions. GoPro say the footage is 5.2K, and the quality does seem a step up from the 4K footage of some competitor 360 cameras. Another bonus is that you can choose a frame rate of 25 frames per second. That means news journalists can send edited clips from this camera directly into the BBC's Jupiter server via the PNG app.